Steve. Shut up!
Welcome, fellow gamers. This is your friendly neighborhood BMG. Today, we are going to take a look at Hello Neighbor. So grab your crowbar to embark on this epic journey with me. What is Hello Neighbor about? Hello Neighbor is a survival horror stealth game developed by Dynamic Pixels and published by Tiny Build. The player's task is to find details and brutal secrets of Hello Neighbor's game and solve a series of puzzles to gather the items needed to unlock and access his basement. Let's begin with the secrets of Hello Neighbor. 1. The family photo. In a remote room of Mr. Peterson's house, you can only get by umbrella and by breaking a window. There's a family photo depicting the neighbor, his wife, his daughter, and his son. All of them appear to be happy and are notably smiling in the photo. Next one is the tire swing. On the top of the windmill, a broken tire swing can be found in the final version of the game. The supermarket sound. In Alpha 3, in a room with a lift behind the door, you can hear the sounds of a supermarket, where actually there is a supermarket. Secret room. Behind one of these rooms with the trolley, there is a secret room with the water. The blank eyes. In the children's room in the neighbor's house, white eyes are blinking under the blanket. The secret lock pickers. That's a secret lock picker in the rubble on the escalators. And there is also one in the kitchen. Now let's get with the Easter eggs. Trash can flying prohibited. In Alpha 3 and Act 3, a sign can be found saying trash can flying prohibited. A reference to how some YouTubers like 8-Bit Ryan managed to get over the invisible wall by crouching, jumping inside a trash can in Alpha 1. Bendy crossover. In Halloween, the creator of Hello Neighbor partnered with Bendy and made a crossover with Bendy and Hello Neighbor places switch. Or should I say, they have the same storyline but different character. And even FGTV made a video about it. The Golden Apple. The Golden Apple is a mysterious object that can be found either physically or as a painting in all versions of Hello Neighbor except pre-alpha. The method of obtaining it differs in each version. Like, if the neighbor breaks down a door, it can be picked up. Doing so will show a yellow-green colored image of an apple as the HUD icon. This was presumably a placeholder for all objects with an inventory graphic. The supermarket also exists in Alpha 4 and all subsequent versions between Alpha 4 and Beta 3. Its text is in Russian or Slovenian. In the final build, it appears to be in English, but reads Pusserkmet instead. The golden apple is obtainable after growing a tree using the seed in Alpha 4. Going to the left corner of the neighbor's house with the apple equipped prompts a cutscene of visions from the neighbor's perspective. In the final build, the seed instead appears on the long platform containing an armchair with a bear rug. There also no longer appears to be a cutscene for the apple, and it instead grants to the player an achievement. The player also has shots with a golden apple design on them in the first 2 acts of the game. YouTubers' items. The 8-Bit Ryan. There's a book whose author is 8B Ryan refers to the 8-Bit Ryan YouTuber, the Rasubowski. There's a chalk drawing on the chalkboard in Fear School. It has the hearts with the word Rasubowski, referencing to the YouTuber Rasubowski. The name Rasubowski given to the mannequin teacher in Alpha 1. Video game news. There's a toy truck with 8-bit art and the words Video Game News, referencing to the YouTuber Video Games News and his channel icon. The Greenhouse M13. There is a greenhouse at the gate of the church and cemetery. There's a sign saying M13. This refers to the YouTuber Greenhouse M13. The 8-Bit Ninja. There's a unique takeout container with the face of a ninja on it, and above it says 8-bit, referencing to the YouTuber 8-Bit Ninja. The Bonus Tank. There's a green toy tank with the word bonus on it. This refers to the YouTuber Bonus Tank. The Captain Sauce. There's a bottle of sauce called Captain Salsa with the Captain Sauce icon figure in the player's fridge. This refers to the YouTuber Captain Sauce. The Bijou mic. That can be a can of food in Fear Darkness and in a neighbor's kitchen with the text Bijum on it. GT Machianama. There's a broken gramophone across the lake in the Unreal Engine missing script area with the record disc with GT Machiniyama's logo on it. FGTV. There's a poster of FGTV on the second floor of Nicky Roth's house in his basement, and they even made a video about it, reacting with it as a family. The Clim. When Alpha 2 was released, FGTV made a joke about Mr. Peterson's drinking Kilm milk, where it mainly referenced Kilm. Bars Gamer. There's a mask located at the bounce in the games that is near a building. The random encounters. In Fear Darkness, on one of those shelves, there is a vinyl with merged letters R and E, which is in reference to a Random Encounters logo, which they made a video song about Hello Neighbor. Other Easter egg is like Nicky Roth in Act 1 is wearing a shirt with a shark on it, which references the Sharkatron. His shirt, of course. His shorts references the Golden Apple. Now, if you rewind back at Alpha 4's intro from the high place that the mannequin was looking at you, now before you go to the window, throw something first. Make sure that you throw really far. And you can now go up to the part of the windmill, then use an umbrella to fall down to that window. You will find the neighbor's family photo, the wife's purse, and the shoes, like what I said in the first secrets. Outside, on the large water part, you can find another Sharkatron with a boat referencing the Jaw movie. And Crash to Oyga Satellite, the golden record, which might be referencing the X-Files. UEMs can be found in Act 3, which is before Nicky Roth's role, is from the Nicky Roth's old house. Now, there is no access of going upstairs, so you can jump in by stacking boxes, attempting a jump, like also known as parkour, or something else like cheating. Go straight and open the door. You can find a QR code and number code within the UEMs. Now, people, we have come to an end of this video. I've put my Discord account in the link down below in the description, so you can all join and we can all have a chat. And hope you liked the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell. So thank you everyone for watching the video. Bye bye.
This place was not for you to look and see to get from me. Hello, you're in danger. Good if it's your behavior. You may think I'm the devil, and I wish your life's in peril. Let me spell this out for you. I'm just your neighbor. Now get out.